Hi, this is Dr. Paul Nussbaum with ECPI University, and today we're going to talk about biometrics. So we learned in class quite a few things about biometrics, all the different kinds of biometrics, including iris and fingerprint analysis. Today we're going to focus on a simple biometric device, and it's one that can be used in the home, but it's also applicable for you to be able to learn how to use these kind of devices, the kind of features that they have, and think about how they might be incorporated in the project that you and the team are working on. In this case, the product is intended to be a home security gun vault that is biometrically controlled with the fingerprint of the user, so that when the gun vault is used, it requires the fingerprint of the owner to go ahead and open the gun vault and actually very quickly release the contents of, I guess, a loaded firearm for the home. So biometrics is used here because it allows no need for keys or passwords and helps improve the security and the speed with which the contents of the safe can be accessed. By now you're used to how we're examining these electronic security devices. We're always looking at the manufacturer's specifications, and those can be contained online or in a manual that describes how the product can be used. We're looking not only for the instructions of how the features are going to be implemented, because you'll be doing that, but we're also going to look for the specifications. So by specifications I mean, for example, how many fingerprints can the gun lock hold? There are both administrator fingerprints and then there are user fingerprints. How do these differ? What about the keys that come with the gun lock? I mean, how are they going to be used, and how does the instruction manual suggest that they get used? Also, are there any UL specifications for this particular product? So you want to be able to know all of that, and then you want to use that information to go ahead and install the 9-volt battery. You're going to want to be able to plug it into the wall unit, has electricity there. You're going to want to program in that very first fingerprint, and then when you're done with that, you're going to want to test that it works. Notice how that now that a fingerprint has been encoded into the system, it is no longer possible to open the safe by simply pushing the S1 button. Doesn't open. Will not open. I have to put my index finger into the biometric reader and at the same time push on that button, that S1 button, and then the safe opens and I'm able to access the contents of the interior.